the treasure base of the nation, for graciously agreeing to host the Naval Warfare Course 9 during our operations visit to the state. And it's good to reiterate that the Excellency's willingness to host us is invaluable and also underscores the importance that Rivers State places not only on the Naval War College Nigeria, but on the entire armed forces of Nigeria. Today's courtesy call is remarkable for us because it presents an opportunity for the Naval War College Nigeria to meet with its founding father in his distinguished capacity as the administrator of Rivers State. Your initiative to establish the college in 2017, while serving as the 22nd Chief of the Naval Staff, has been extremely beneficial because proficient operational level military leaders, nationally and internationally, are being turned out for the armed forces of Nigeria, as well as other sister African countries. Indeed, we thank you for your foresight, which has brought the college to its international status today. We also appreciate your legacy of excellence, diligence, and professionalism in the Nigerian Navy, and have no doubt that you extend same in your leadership of Rivers State. Your Excellency, it is important for me to convey the warm greetings of the Chief of the Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Emmanuel Ikechukwu Ogala, Admiralty Medal, who personally endorsed our operations visit to Rivers State. The Chief of the Naval Staff is immensely grateful for the continued support of the Rivers State government to the Nigerian Navy, other sister services, as well as other security agencies in the state. Particularly, the state government has continued to support Nigerian Navy establishment with provision of logistics for operations to enhance maritime security in the state. The presence of His Excellency at the passing out parade and commissioning ceremony of the Special Duty and Direct Short Service Commission cadets at the Nigerian Naval College, Ebubu, in May 2025 further reaffirms the state's collaboration with the Nigerian Navy towards improving maritime security for enhanced economic growth in Rivers State. Thank you very much, sir. We are grateful for many things that you are doing and which the state is also doing for the Nigerian Navy. Your Excellency, as you already know, and as mentioned, that the Naval War College Nigeria was established with the primary purpose of developing operational level leaders who can effectively address contemporary security challenges. A component of that curriculum undertakes and includes operation visits designed to expose the participants to thematic areas of national security with emphasis on operational level engagement. This year, the participants have the opportunity to conduct an operations visit to Rivers State with the theme, optimizing technology for effective maritime security operations. It's worth mentioning that Rivers State makes up 30% of Nigeria's total coastline, which is about 853 kilometers long. The state also accounts for over 40% of Nigeria's total output of crude oil and natural gas resources, while generating over 33% of Nigeria's GDP and also foreign exchange earning. Rivers State alone produces crude oil from 416 wells out of a total of 1,201 in the country, and many of these oil wells are dotted around the maritime environment of Rivers State. Notably, the Trans-Niger pipeline connects oil fields in the state to the Bonny crude oil export terminal, which is a crucial route for Nigeria's crude oil export. In addition to the oil wells and pipelines, Rivers State also hosts two of the largest seaports in Nigeria, two refineries, and the liquefied natural gas terminal facility in Bonny Island, among other important infrastructure within the state's maritime environment. Consequently, all this infrastructure underscores the need to progress from the traditional method employed in maritime security operations to optimizing technology for monitoring the vast maritime environment of Rivers State for effective maritime security operations. Notably, this strategy is embedded in the Chief of the Naval Staff's mission statement, which is hinged on technology for the effective defense of Nigeria's national interests. Instructively, all operations command in the Nigerian Navy have been charged to leverage technology in conduct of maritime security operations within their areas of responsibilities. To this end, the Naval Warfare Course 9 participants will be conducting an independent assessment of how effectively Nigerian Navy formations in Rivers State, in collaboration with other security agencies, are optimizing technology for effective maritime security operations. During the course of this week, the participants will interface with key stakeholders across military operations commands, other security agencies, and selected public and private organizations operating in the state. This engagement will serve to deepen understanding of the complexities and efforts of the various organizations at optimizing technology for enhanced maritime security in Rivers State and by extension, Nigeria at large. It will also provide participants with primary data on the subject matter to enable them write a comprehensive report at the end of the tour and propose workable recommendations for the Nigerian Navy. Finally, Your Excellency, permit me again once more to express our heartfelt gratitude to you and the entire peace-loving people of Rivers State for the warm reception and support given to the Naval War College, Nigeria, since its arrival yesterday. Your leadership, especially your pioneering role in shaping the college, continues to inspire us. We look forward to a rewarding study visit that will undoubtedly contribute to developing professional, operational level leaders capable of positively impacting the national and international security landscape in Nigeria. Thank you very much. And as we say in Nigerian Navy, onwards together, and God bless the treasure base of the nation. Thank you, sir.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is an address by the administrator of Rivers State on the occasion of the study tour of the Nigerian Naval War College to Rivers State with the technology for effective maritime security operations. It is with great honor and deep appreciation that I welcome you all to Rivers State on this significant occasion of the study tour of the Nigerian War College. We are truly delighted to host such a distinguished gathering of strategic thinkers and security professionals whose work continues to safeguard the sovereignty and ability of our nation, Nigeria. The theme of this tour, Optimizing Technology for Effective Maritime Security Operations, is both relevant, timely, and of critical national importance. As a coastal state with vast maritime assets and an expansive shoreline along the Atlantic, Rivers State understands firsthand the challenges and the strategic imperatives of securing our waterways. From the protection of oil and gas infrastructure to ensuring the safety of our waterways, of course, from the protection of the oil and gas infrastructure and ensuring the safety of our waterways and seafarers and coastal communities, maritime security is not only a military concern, it is a pillar for national development. We are witnessing a time when threats in the maritime domain, ranging from piracy and smuggling to illegal fishing and environmental hazards, are becoming increasingly sophisticated. As such, we must match these challenges with equally sophisticated responses. This is where the integration of modern technology becomes not just beneficial, but essential. From satellite surveillance and autonomous systems to AI-powered threat detection and integration communication networks, optimizing technology in our maritime operations is no longer a futuristic ideal. It is indeed a present-day necessity. I commend the Nigerian Naval War College for dedicating time and intellectual resources to this subject. It underscores the Navy's forward-thinking posture and its commitment to innovation in the service of national security. Rivers State remains a willing partner in the endeavor. We are committed to supporting all federal security agencies in the operations within our territory, and we will continue to invest in strategic infrastructure and cooperative frameworks that enhance safety on land as well as at sea. I trust that your time here will be both enlightening and productive. May this study tour deepen our collective resolve and broaden the horizons of our capabilities. as you engage with stakeholders, inspect facilities, and deliberate on best practices, be assured of our full support and hospitality. Once again, this is me, for and on behalf of the Administrator of Rivers State, His Excellency Vice Admiral Retired Ibok-Ete Ekwe Ibas, CFR, I warmly welcome you to Rivers State, the treasure base of the nation. May your mission here be successful and impactful. Thank you so much for coming. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and God bless Rivers State. You are most welcome.